June and Diana Claire, marriage is a solemn and meaningful partnership between two individuals who choose to share their lives together. It is the promise of hope between two people who love each other.
Now it feels like a faded memory. The years go by like a runaway train. You and I made the choice, we stayed like gold in the fire. Our love has grown stronger when the mountains rose higher.
It is not only a celebration of feeling, but also a promise of responsibility, choosing each other every day through both happiness and challenges.
Nine.
Oh my God! Ay, di pa pala nabubuksan.
Our love has grown stronger.
A strong and lasting marriage is not built overnight, but through continuous effort, patience, and understanding. There will be a moments of joy and laughter, but also moments that will require strength, compromise, and forgiveness.
So to turn and run, but by the grace of God, we found a way again. And we held tight to the promise we made. You and I were transformed through the pain, like gold in the fire. Our love has grown stronger when the mountains rose higher.
These couples stand before us, ready to enter into a lifelong journey together, bound not only by affection, but by a conscious decision to support, honor, and remain faithful to one another for the rest of their lives.
Our love has grown stronger, stronger. Oh, stronger. Gold in the fire. Like gold in the fire.
Always communicate openly. Listen with compassion and never allow pride to stand between you. Choose love daily, not only when it is easy, but especially when it is difficult. May your home be filled with peace, respect, kindness, and unwavering support for one another.
Our love has grown stronger, stronger.
Since you have both declared your willingness to enter into marriage and have expressed your love and commitment, and I now pronounce you husband and wife.
You remember when we first began, just two kids with
You may kiss the bride.
big